to look expensive on a budget. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you tips and tricks to exude an air of sophistication and luxury without the need for extravagant spending. Looking and smelling expensive is all about presenting yourself in the best possible light, and it's a skill that can benefit anyone, regardless of age. So stay tuned for this comprehensive guide on achieving an elegant and refined look and scent. First things first, skincare. Achieving a radiant glow starts with a reliable skincare routine. Begin each day with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities, followed by a nourishing moisturizer that keeps your skin hydrated and supple. Don't underestimate the importance of sunscreen, a vital tool in guarding your skin against the harmful effects of UV rays. Incorporate regular exfoliation to maintain smooth and youthful skin, and consider indulging in a weekly face mask to rejuvenate your complexion. Secondly is wardrobe. Building a stylish and expensive-looking wardrobe doesn't require designer labels. Focus on timeless pieces that ooze sophistication and class. A well-fitted blazer can be your go-to for instantly elevating your outfit, while a pair of high-quality, dark-wash jeans exudes a polished and upscale appearance. Pay close attention to fabrics and stitching. They can make all the difference in elevating the overall quality of your wardrobe. Thirdly, accessories. Accessories are your secret weapons to upping your style game. Invest in a classic watch with a metal or leather strap for that subtle touch of refinement on your wrist. A well-crafted leather belt can seamlessly tie your entire look together, and minimalist jewelry pieces like a delicate necklace or a pair of elegant earrings can add a subtle yet impactful accent to your style. Next is hair and makeup. Your hair and makeup choices significantly influence your overall appearance. Experiment with hairstyles that complement your personality and are easy to maintain. When it comes to makeup, aim for a natural and fresh-faced look. Use a lightweight foundation that matches your skin tone, add a hint of blush to your cheeks, and enhance your eyes with mascara and neutral-toned eyeshadow. The key is to enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. Next is fragrance. Leaving a lasting impression is incomplete without a captivating scent. Choose a fragrance that resonates with your personal style and complements your overall presentation. A great scent can become your signature, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. Then we have posture and confidence. Remember, it's not just about your outward appearance, but how you carry yourself. Maintain good posture, walk with confidence, and exude positivity. A warm and genuine smile, combined with consistent eye contact and a sincere interest in others, can leave a lasting impression and elevate your overall presence. And most importantly, self-care. Prioritizing self-care is the foundation of your overall well-being. Get enough rest to ensure you wake up refreshed and rejuvenated each day. Embrace a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to nourish your body from within. Engage in regular physical activity to maintain high energy levels and keep your body in top condition. When you feel good from the inside, it naturally reflects on the outside. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to look and smell expensive, regardless of your age. It's not about the price tag on your clothes or products. It's about how you present yourself and the effort you put into self-care. Confidence, self-expression, and a positive mindset are the true markers of sophistication. And please, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments down below to let us know your thoughts and any tips you'd like to share. Also, be sure to follow us on our other platforms for even more style and lifestyle content. Stay stylish!